Hey, good morning. I'm back. Took yesterday off. Had to go to the dentist, get some teeth fixed. Came out perfect. All right, this driveway here is like fairly new. Look at this. I just talked to the homeowner. He rents the place out. They're on him about these tire marks. And it's a mess up by the front door. These are rental people. They have some bark here and stuff. Wind blows it all over the place. So first thing I'm going to do is turbo nozzle it. I warned him about etching it and putting marks with the surface cleaner. I told him I can wand it, clean it with just some SH and wand it off a little bit, but he wants to go ahead and use the surface cleaner. So we're going to go ahead and do it. He goes, whatever happens, happens. So I'm going to get the weeds out first with the turbo nozzle, then we're going to surface clean it, and then we're going to rinse it. Not even going to do any SH on it. Doesn't even need it. It's just a clean driveway that's going to look, I'm betting it gets marked. Let's try it and see what happens. All right, let's get after it. Actually didn't come out too bad. I just sprayed some SH on them tire marks. I mean, they're not coming out. We'll do the best we can. Might want to take the turbo nozzle to that at the end of the job. Got mud all over the place. Well, let's get after the ever so satisfying rims. Oh! All right, let's have a look at this puppy. It came out beautiful. Look at that. Now I was able to get most of the tire tracks off of there. Put some straight SH, and I took the turbo nozzle. Cleaned up by the front door, which I'm going to go ahead and spray some straight SH up there by the door. Let's look at it right now, then we'll spray it, and then we'll come back and check it out. See that stain right there? See it? Look at that. See it? Would you just look at that? You can get that off of there. Let's go ahead and hit that, and then we'll reel everything in. And that stuff will be gone. All right, I'm Don from Superblast, and we'll see you at the next job. Remember, get after it. And today is going to be a good day. I got one more job to do, right? And then there's this really cool magazine that I just found out about that goes in 70,000 homes, and it's spread out all over the area. Hudson, Weeki Wachee, Spring Hill mainly, Brooksville. It's a really high-class magazine. I see a lot of people are in it. No pressure washers, so mum's the word, baby. But we're going to put it in there. I got a meeting with the guy. Very high-end magazine, so we'll go to high-end houses for some high-end business. All right, let's get after it. All right, here we are, job number 2. This is a regular customer. This is my 4th visit out here. We are in Brentwood Estates, where I'm king of the mobile home park, where I'm always getting after it. All right, that's a pretty cool little design there, huh? No mowing, easy maintenance. All right, let's take a look at this place. It looks nice and clean. We have weeds along the curb there, weeds in the crack. You see this right here? Check that out. That's pretty dirty, right? It doesn't look that dirty, but it is, because we'll show you what happens. We're going to go around, we're going to spray it with this pump up sprayer. You see that? And watch what happens to this puppy. See that little simple little spray? I always like showing the little things that matter. And you spray some inside there. She's not using it, so we'll spray it in there and clean it up. Spray the bottom. Spray this side. You can hit these little blocks right along the edge too. Bring it around right here. And this thing's going to brighten right up. It'll look like it's new right out of the box. Okay, and then why am I showing you this? Because it takes a couple seconds of your time. Okay? And that's it. Make sure you get behind here. See that? You have to hit it from the other side real quick. You know, just anything that you can make yourself look better. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look brand new? Get that bird turd off of there. And that's how you do it. Then we come out, we're going to start the job right here. So we'll just rinse this off before we get started. It looks good. All right, let's take a look at the rest. This needs a big dusting off. See how it's getting a little black and dingy right there? That's algae. On these mobile homes, it turns black. And we have algae in the windows. See that? And we have algae on the chairs. So let's go ahead and clean this furniture for the lady. And all you gotta do is take this out. And that'll clean it up. This is the north side. See the algae on the door? There's more algae in there. Pick up these little tools. And just put it right in here. This way it won't go nowhere. And then to clean all this stuff off, just walk around the other side. Oh yeah, this is where the algae grows, back here in the back. See that? That's algae pretty good. All these stepping stones in the back need to be cleaned up. All this stuff on the sides. It's just real dirty and dingy. See that right there? It's all dingy, dingy, dingy. All right, then we got some algae growing right here. Who knows why they grow in certain spots? I mean, you figure, and then all the way up there on the top, along the edge, we got algae. All right, let's go ahead and get the job started. We're going to start there. We're going to get the hose out. We're going to go all the way around the back, rinse our way back around, head down that side, get all that done. Then we're going to come out here and get this cement all done. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's do a little bit of real time, show you how fast this stuff gets done here, all right? Then we're going to go meet that guy for the new magazine. I'm looking forward to that, see how many higher end customers I come up with. And I'm not going to put pricing, I might put starting at blah blah blah. That's going to be it on this ad. Let's see how many calls we get. Alright, let's get after it. Alright, let's have a little review here, all right? Get everything SH all the way there to that corner, so we only got a little bit left to do on that side. Okay, you see all this black shit here? Stuff, I mean, excuse me. Didn't mean to say that. Anyway, I don't think the YouTube police are going to get me for that little poopy word. Anyway, it's got black stuff here. So I'm gonna go get the turbo nozzle and we're gonna turbo tip this stuff off of here. We also have a couple spots like this on the wall. We'll get and turbo tip this stuff off of there. Then we got this thing across on the top. Above the fascia there is that dirty off the roof thing there. Okay, that's the edge of the roof. So we'll hit that with the wash jet tip. We'll clean that right off of there. It's gonna look nice. All right, let's go get the turbo tip and let's get after it. Job's gonna be nice. Then we'll go to that meeting. Like I said, if you can find an advertisement that goes into homes, like that's going to be 70,000 homes. The ad's $600, so we'll see how that does. We'll see what happens when I go to the meeting. Okay. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Looks great. That looks really nice. I mean, that's a good job on those things there. They're old. And now you see the drip edge above the fascia, all clean. Cleaned it with the jet wash tip. Everything is sparkling clean. Took the turbo tip to the side of the blocks here. That's how you get them to be perfect. You don't want to get right up on them either, because you blow those blocks right out. They fall off. They just stack them there. Some people, they don't cement them, they just put them there. Kind of crazy, right? All right, we're gonna come around and rinse all this off. And we're gonna go down, finish this corner back here, and we'll be done. Except for the cement work, which that's only gonna take a couple minutes. Then we'll do the, the satisfying rinse. All right, let's get after it. We're gonna use the turbo nozzle out here again as well, so we'll set it right here. All right, let's get after it, folks. Gonna rinse it all off, get the mini Mondu out, hit the sidewalk and driveway, rinse that off, and we'll be done with this puppy. And we'll put the plant back where it was when we're done rinsing everything down, all right? I'm Don from Super Blast. That's gonna be a wrap for today. We'll be right back for a final review and some mini Mondu action. Let's get after it. for the satisfying rinse. Got all the weeds out of the cracks. Everything's clean, beautiful. There was weeds all along the edge of the block. Got them all done. Look at that mailbox. Looks brand new, right? Let's get after it. All right, how's everybody doing, huh? Let's take a final look. Looks wonderful. Everything came out nice. Customer is extremely happy, as usual. Give me a nice little extra tip. Gotta like that. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Now let's go see what this magazine's all about, all right? Let's get after it. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it.